not the matter. Today I dey talk about Ijele. Now photo be this. I decided to go Ijele Facebook page. Make I go watch Ijele videos because I don't watch them small before. So I reach there. I see plenty video. I see say Ijele get mad. Ijele sabi talk. Before you talk one, Ijele don't talk 10. Any answer you want, Ijele go give unto you. In fact, Ijele know the history of nearly all the whole country where they on earth. They very, very clever. Something can just enter my mind. I can say this guy will be clever like this. Why is he there this level where they supposed to grow past this level? Just stay there. Supposed to pass this level. I can just conclude say, like say the country when it day, Turkey, they kill the talent. So I go advise Ijele move out from Turkey, go English-speaking country. He go excel with this knowledge. I don't say Turkey bad or Turkey bad. I don't say bad. As it they good. It depends on your area of operation. Things where you do everything, But if Ijele remain like this, you go just remain Facebook champion. You understand? It be like an African man when he open clinic for Saudi Arabia. Who you want me to turn up there for treatment? Or you open clinic for Afghanistan or Pakistan. Check him now. So what you really carry me go to Ijele Facebook page? Now Ijele videos. And I can see some videos when I disagree totally with Ijele. I go play the videos now, make we see. 2 videos, I go come talk, follow them. But before then, for that video, Ijele the host Magnus Araka. For the video, they compare IPOB to Boko Haram. Say IPOB, na terrorists, the same thing with Boko Haram. But before I go, I play the video. I go play 2 videos, then I go follow up. We talk from there. But we watch the video.
If I start telling you the similarities between IPOB and Boko Haram, you'll be shocked.
It's just many. The only difference is that they don't have guns. Now they can't.
It's just the name. One is Boko Haram, one is IPOB. That's all. What is the definition of terrorism? Terrorism is the act of forcing people to believe in your ideology. Forcing. The emphasis of terrorism is that word, forcing. You force people.
See the pure definition. Using violence and intimidation.
Beautiful.
To achieve a political purpose. And this is exactly what these people are doing. They are violent and they are intimidating. So they perfectly fit the definition of terrorism.
Yeah. So when somebody comes and tells you that, look, this is your ideology. Let us. But this approach is more. Sorry, just a second.
No problem.
Why not let's adopt this? Okay. Why not let's adopt this ideology? You say no. If it is not Nnamdi Kanu's ideology, hell will break loose. You're already a terrorist.
Yes.
We have records of IPOB sending people to go and attack people in their homes. We have records of IPOB sending people to go and burn people's property. We have records of IPOB sending people to go and abduct people. We have records of IPOB killing people. The pastor, the other pastor, I spoke with Asari Dokubo, and I have proof that man was killed on the orders of some people in IPOB.
Yes.
So, what is the difference? What is the difference? You do not accept any other sense if it's not coming from Nnamdi Kanu. Is that not autocracy?
Oh.
Now this is Nnamdi Kanu's style.
I'm going to tell you this. If IPOB gets Biafra, they don't even need to kill me. I will hang myself live on TV for everyone to see. That is how sure I am about it. And he promised them that it will come this December. This December, if it happens, I am going to hang myself live on Facebook. All of those people that are afraid of coming out because they can get Biafra, is a lie. The worst they can do is they attack you like they attack Prophet Nwoko and kill him. Please, if you want to come out in the open, meet me if you are afraid. And I'm telling you, no harm will be back door and was with 2 women, two women. in a hotel where he was arrested.
Kanu.
Yes,
You hate Kanu.
Yes, I'm not hiding it.
Okay, people would like to know, why do you hate Kanu?
Okay, he has
in a very short, because we're about to round off the program. People want to know, why do you hate Kanu?
He has told his people to take down my pages several times, and those pages, I was using them to educate our people on many things: history, geopolitics, and every other thing, finance, every other thing. And I believe he's jealous of those things I was saying. Almost every good thing he did, he learned from me. Ask him, Nnamdi Kanu, one of the people feeding you what you are saying. He is in Australia. He's from Imo State, just like me. I know his brother. I've spoken with his brother. Ask him. Most of the things he's telling you, you are repeating on your broadcast, he got from me. He's my very good friend, and ever since I started this thing against Nnamdi Kanu, I've not called him. I even sent a voice note to his brother to tell him that I know he's angry.
Magnus, una not try. How una go compare IPOB to Boko Haram? Una not dey fair. Magnus, when you know about join IPOB, then they not be terrorists. But when you don't get problem with them, you tag them terrorists. You even come out, say you are dumb pretending you are ready for them. Then they become terrorists. Ijele, I see one video where you talk to IPOB guys. Then they not be terrorists. When you begin get problem, you tag them terrorists. Una not dey fair. IPOB can never force you to join. It's voluntarily thing. Magnus, go to your street, ask people whether IPOB force any person to join or they know IPOB. Get the answer for yourself. You say IPOB, they violent. How many people they don't kill? You say you get evidence. What do they wait before you go hand over them to police? Bring the evidence, come put them for Facebook, make people see, people go believe you. Hand over them to police. Hand over them to army, any person you want over. Which one you keep them for your pocket? They do waiting. Una not dey fair, bro. Bro, una not dey fair. You dey tag Boko Haram, we go carry gun, come, kill people. As we dey talk, they execute people. Now you dey tag IPOB. Brother, una not dey fair. But we talk true. It's not fair. But we move into the second one. The second one, now they talk about supreme leader. Supreme leader. Now supreme leader of IPOB. In fact, I never even hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call himself supreme leader. Now, his followers, they call him supreme leader. And that name, it goes with IPOB, this group IPOB. It don't mean say now for the whole Biafra or the whole Igbo land. It be like, for example, Mazi Rafu Wazirike Getty Group. Any name, if people like, they call him. Alhaji Asari Dokubo Getty Group. Now him be leader. Tony Nnamdi, he get a group, now be leader. But if all the whole group come together, say they want form, then you go to talk. But for now, you know go begin verse, they say this one, na that. You know they fair. You get one church for Warri, where they call God's Grace Ministry. The pastor, named na Mimi Yere Jesu, yes, the demon destroyer, also known as Osu. He called himself Bishop of the whole world. Now title, you don't mean anything. Una take that one, who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Una also talk again, say, Mazi say, in Senior Jesus Christ. My brothers, not be like that now. That thing now, waiting people they used to they do parable one kind. Say if I die today now, at least I don't live well. After all, our Lord Jesus Christ died 33.5 years on earth. So if I die above 40, I live well as Senior Jesus Christ on earth. It not mean say in Senior Jesus Christ. Who go get up one morning say in Senior Jesus Christ? My brothers are not the Philly. Make a move to your side. You say Nnamdi Kanu to the copy. He dey copy Martin Luther King Jr. I think so. And then why you no go copy? Every good thing on earth will go copy him. The dress where you wear so, na copy will copy am. Not be that dress our forefathers they wear. The teeth brush where we told the brush teeth will copy am from Oyibo people. So I'm not seeing anything wrong with copy. Copy is allowed. So you dey make jokes, say, you dey copy. My brother, you don't big pass that thing where you dey do so. You don't big pass them. You get to forge ahead. Your level don't pass that age. You dey bring yourself down if you dey do all this thing where you dey do. You also talk, say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na scammer. He scam this, he scam that. I dey wait, make I see evidence, correct evidence, and then they see. He scam Nigerian government. He scam Oyibo people. I don't ask who is scam, they say he scam IPOB. Your money dey inside. IPOB say, may you help them fight for them. IPOB members, if any person you pay money and you know they satisfy, say they chop your money, go to the area you pay your money, you go get your money back. So, Ijele, bring evidence, put when it go help you, it go make people believe you. Say, what you they talk, they correct. And then they see any evidence. One of your video, you post there, say, when Nnamdi Kanu go one country, go give speech, people pay, enter the hall, they carry the money, give Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I dey ask you, you find out whether that hall where they use, whether they rent them or not for free. You find out whether they book hotel for where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sleep or pay for a flight or co. You just tag, say, they carry the money, chop, or they give Nnamdi Kanu. My brother, you know they fair. You also talk for one time, say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send money, give Ethiopian girls. In fact, you say the day they catch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for Nigeria, now 2 girls, they inside hotel. My brother, you did there? You did Tokai? How you did no? You did there? Okay, let's assume people when they give you the information. How you take sure saying that the correct information they give you? Okay, why you not post the account number where they transfer the money, then give guests? The guests that they complain, they charge them for any rape case. My brother, why they do like this? Cool down, my brother. If there is any evidence, bring them, put inside Facebook. People go see them. People go believe you. Let's assume say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even carry girl. And then, if you swear to yourself, say, you never carry girl till your mama born you till today. You never carry girl. You never lie. You never do anything when it did bad for your life. Now you holy pass. Ijele, cool down. Cool down, my brother. Move forward ahead. You said Nnamdi Kanu need to do anything. Say just they make noise, you need to talk. Make I tell you one thing, when I know say Nnamdi Kanu don't do very well, and make you talk through, give him credit for that one. Before the coming of Nnamdi Kanu, who they talk about Biafra for social media or for anywhere? Go back to Nigeria, different group, unit, they spring, they open from different corner. Who they do them? Now after Nnamdi Kanu come, now everywhere open, people get mad. Feed the talk for Biafra all over social media. So at least give Nnamdi Kanu credit for that one. If the only that one self he achieve, it did good. It don't bring the awareness. People now go come wake up, come they talk, things go the better they go. So my brother again credit for that one. Ijele, cool down, my brother. You don't big past this level. You're educated. You know a lot. When you do all this, you know, all this show where you do, Mazi go do video, go carry. Bros, my brother, you dey reduce yourself. It don't come down, it don't dey childish. Too much of everything they bad. You dey reduce yourself, you don't go know. People go dey hail you, one man mopo, one man soldier. You go dey feel say, guy, cool down. Cool down. You don't make your point. Leave am there. Wetin I go tell you, bro, if you don't like the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they do am, you do am like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When he did with Mazi Rauf Uwazurike, he need to tally up with Mazi Rauf Uwazurike. He pull out. He form the IPOB. He begin preach. People begin listening to him. People follow him. What do you go do? Pull out since you don't find out say you know they do it the way you like. Pull out. Team your guys. Form your group. Begin preach your doctrine. People go follow you. Do something like that. People go follow you. Not be to sit back. They do this show where you do for Facebook. Ijele, our brother, he don't reach. Cool down. Cool down. Cool down.